Hey everybody, I'm just tinkering around for a couple minutes and I'm trying out a handful of random solar panels I had laying around. Here's one of those cheap online 5-watt flexi panels, and there's a couple polycrystalline aluminum frame cells. I believe this is a 15 watt and this is a 35, and it's about 6:30 p.m. here in the Northeast, and I'm just doing some really basic quick and dirty testing, and I'm trying out a new 10 amp MPPT Victron Smart Solar Charge Controller, and I'm really enjoying the simple interface to these. And right now I'm still getting 27 watts into this 16 volt battery bank, and that's not bad for being 6:30 p.m. out of a 35 watt panel that's covered in dust. I don't think you can see it, but it is really dusty. And anyway, my plan here is pretty simple. I'm going to make two. I'm gonna get some threaded rod and literally make a small little lunchbox sized battery pack that has 900 watt hours of capacity at 16 volts. And this is going to become a mobile battery bank for camping and things like that. Maybe some truck camping or some fun stuff in the future, like maybe even a little bit of time wasting prospecting or something, just to kind of get out of the house. And yeah, so far I'm really digging this 35 watt panel. It says Arco Power, but I'm pretty sure it's just a rebrand of a whole bunch of other ones that you can find online that are pretty inexpensive. But really what it's about is testing out this charge controller, talking to this 16.2 volt nominal battery bank. And I'm not going to put a whole lot of energy into this. I'm going to make just a simplistic holder for this, but perhaps maybe I come up with a system that integrates the charge controller into some kind of housing or apparatus attached to the battery bank itself. So the whole system is mobile. You can just have the bank in one hand with the charge controller attached, and then carry the panel in the other hand, or the charge controller attached to the back of the panel. And I think it'll give you a pretty sweet little, incredibly mobile solution for camping and that kind of thing. Or if you're prospecting, running, simple 12 volt bilge pumps and that kind of thing. I may also do some experimentation where I try to pump water around my yard into my various ponds for gardening. And yeah, I look forward to tinkering around with this stuff some more and explaining what's going on.